welcome back to Seaway Hyundai. We're on the new lot here to show you a beautiful 2020 Hyundai Elantra Preferred with the IVT transmission. It's a new transmission that Hyundai is incorporating into their makes. It stands for Intelligent Variable Transmission. Beautiful looking car, very sporty. They did a great job here with the 2020 look. You got those nice big alloy wheels, obviously tons of rubber left on those tires. It is brand new. Gonna step into the back seat. As mentioned, it just came off the truck, so the plastic is still inside the vehicle here, but as you could see, very spacious, very luxurious looking vehicle. Got black cloth interior all the way around, power windows on the rear passenger door. Stepping into the driver's seat, or on the door rather, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Let's go through some of the features. So you have your trunk control, you have your gas control, you have your levers to adjust the seat, interior illumination settings, blind spot detection, and traction control. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, super comfy. You have your Bluetooth functions, volume settings, cruise control, and of course you have your buttons to navigate through the screen itself. 3-stage heated seats for the driver and the passenger. This vehicle does have a backup camera, heated steering wheel, and of course you have that button to select the different drive modes. All in all, beautiful looking vehicle, super clean. Great affordable price on these Elantras, available here at Seaway Hyundai. You could shop this unit or any of our other units online 24/7 at www.seawayhyundai.com. Thank you.